It's Vlogmas day 1. Who is excited? Wow. So here we are, 1st of December. Hope you guys are ready because I don't even know what to say. I'm not fully ready, but I'm gonna try. Okay, so guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another Vlogmas. This is actually my second Vlogmas, and I hope you all will stay with me as you always do. So in today's video, I want to show you how to make this delicious, moist and yummy red velvet banana bread. Okay, so yeah, you can call it banana cake, you can call it banana bread. It's just a yummy treat. Okay, so yeah, I will leave each and every one of the recipe or the ingredients in the description, so do well to check it out, and yeah, just watch how I do. So in there I have my bananas already mashed, I have 2 eggs whole and already in there. I have my vanilla essence. Because I'm using industrial vanilla, instead of using 1 teaspoon, I use half a teaspoon. So I added my evaporated milk. This milk is not enough, I'll be adding more milk later. So yeah, I'm adding my room temperature softened butter. You can go ahead and just melt this on your stove, but yeah, I'm doing it like this because I'm still going to use my hand mixer to get it well incorporated. So yeah, I'm just going to mix the wet, mix the dry, and you know how it goes now. All right, let's get into the video. So I mentioned earlier that I wasn't using the complete amount of milk, so now I'm going to add the other half. So what happened is the measurement I used earlier wasn't enough because I was using the evaporated milk and that was the only one I had. So now I just went ahead to mix some powdered milk in water just because I want to loosen this up to complete my recipe. Okay, so you want to do that, or you want to add your milk at once, like from the beginning when I mixed the wet ingredients. So yeah, I'm just adding this to loosen it up. As you can see, now it's in its right consistency. You can tell, right? Okay. So guys, as you can see, I'm done combining both the dry and the wet ingredients. So our batter is looking so yummy already. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to line my pan. I've already greased it with some butter. So now I'm just going to add this parchment paper on it, just so it's easy to bring out once it's baked. So now that I'm done with that, it's time to add my batter into the pan. At this point, my oven is already preheating. I've already on my oven, so it can be well preheated before the batter will be introduced in it. So I'm just starting to finalize the whole mixing, and yeah, I'm going to add it straight into the pan. So guys, we are done portioning the whole thing. Though I still have some in the bowl, I'm going to be adding that to 4 plates. So I'm just adding some toppings. I'm using coconut flakes, I'm using brown chocolate chips, I'm using white chocolate chips. I'm also using my leftover granola in the fridge. I'm using mixed fruits. I'm just going to top few of them, okay, and still leave like 2 to 3 of them plain. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So enjoy watching, guys. So now our cake is ready. I'm going to get the one in the 4 plate out so you can see what it looks like. So I'm just going to cut this one open. Reason is because I'm giving the other ones out, so I don't want to cut those ones. So yeah, let's see what this look like. It's still very hot. It's still hot because I am actually in a hurry to just finish this video and do other things. So I'm going to cut it while it's still hot, and yeah, this is what it looks like.